Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on Nokia G42. So you have to start with opening your Google Play and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now click on this application and click install. Now you can click open, and now you can skip this introduction, and now click open permissions, and you have to allow this application to display over other apps, and then you can click back and click back again, and now you can click start. And as you can see, here is your widget, and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.